We're looking at metrics, trying to get ahead of the game, whether it be a strike with an airline. We're trying to get clients protected on airlines. We're trying to just be more proactive rather than reactive. Sometimes we have to be. And I think that if we can get ahead of it, I think that that's really where we stand out. My name is Dustin Ross. I'm the Regional General Manager for Corporate Traveler here in BC and Alberta, and I've been with the company for 24 years. What I love about Vancouver is that I think it is truly unique. Being here on the West Coast, the water, the mountains, the people. It rains, but when it's sunny, it's so beautiful. You can be in a boardroom in the morning and skiing in the afternoon. What makes me want to come into work every day is the impact that we make in our clients. We know that travel can be stressful. The team sort of removes that stressfulness for the clients and really just carrying that relationship between the travel manager and our client. And I think it's really like our high touch personal service that really stands out. People always say it's such a great company. We love the people that we work with each and every single day. Our team's tenure is a huge source of pride for us. The longevity means there's like true continuity with the way we book travel for people. And because of that tenure, people trust the relationship with their travel manager, knowing that they're going to be getting the most current up-to-date information.